first tonight, a new reality in the fight against COVID-19. Governor Steve Sisolak announcing a new strategy to curb the spread of the virus. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Trisha Keene.
And I'm Ty Quinones. Let's get to 13 Action News reporter Joe Bartels, who is live near the Strip to explain all of this. A lot of details here involved in this plan, Joe.
Yeah, Todd and Tricia, the governor says this new plan only works if everyone is on board, and he cannot rule out another shutdown on the Strip if the virus continues to spread out of control. Open for the most part for now. Nevada still reeling from a nearly 2-month prolonged shutdown of gaming and other industries. Now the state shifting gears to fight COVID-19.
I want to be clear. In no way are we relaxing our mitigation efforts. We're taking a more strategic, aggressive approach that will target this disease where it is spreading and take action necessary to stop it.
Starting this week, Nevada's COVID-19 task force will meet with each of the state's counties to see which ones are meeting the marks and which ones need to crack down even more on the coronavirus.
This approach allows us to work collaboratively with the counties to make sure that they are identifying what they see as the root cause of community spread or outbreaks within their communities and identifying ways to address those.
Counties will be scrutinized by the state for different criteria, including hospital capacity, personal protective equipment stockpiles, the enforcement action by local authorities, testing capacity, contact tracing, and efforts to protect the vulnerable populations, such as those in nursing homes. If counties run into outbreaks or other troubles, they'll have to come up with a quick action plan, including tighter specific business restrictions or reduced gatherings or building capacities.
Just as before, this plan or any other will not work if we do not have full participation from all Nevadans.
But the governor says we are done with the phases and the type of industry-wide shutdowns in Nevada we have seen in recent months.
If Nevadans begin to relax their efforts and take this less seriously, this target approach will not work and will lead our state backwards, which could ultimately lead once again to broad-based closures and limitations.
And state authorities say this plan begins essentially on Thursday. He also says for now, bars in Clark, Nye, Elko, and Washoe counties that do not serve food will remain closed until further notice. Reporting live, Joe Bartels, 13 Action News.